Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm Jazul Islam. So today it's all about the logistics delivery data sheet. This presentation provides an in-depth analysis of our logistics delivery data sheet. The goal is to identify the key delivery performance and uncover opportunities for optimization. The analysis was performed in Google Sheet basically, as you can see, and using pivot tables, correlationship, regression, and advanced visualization techniques and all. I will show one by one. So this is the Excel file we work. This is the regression, this is the correlation, this is the total growth by curve type and all. So I'll explain one by one. And for the easy understanding so that I can explain well. I made one presentation as well, like presentation slide. So I just made some points so that it's easy to understand to everyone. And I will provide the all data sheet and the Excel file in the comment section if you want. So let's go to the slide two. This is the key operational insights from pivot tables. So we show the cost by cargo type and origin, and total cost by payment mode, average delivery by track type, and all. So first, we look at total cost by cargo type. So let's go to the Excel file. If I talk about the total cost by cargo type, this one is the total cost by cargo type. If I talk about the total cost by payment mode, this one. So we sort out all of these in Excel file. So for example, furniture from the part, if I talk about the total cost by the cargo type, the furniture from the part had the highest total cost of around $1,97,500. And while construction, as you can see, um, is like around $1,83,900. This highlights the regional variation in cost. So if we analyze the other things, that's as well. Like if I talk about the total cost by the payment mode, here is also the same thing. Like card payments represented the largest share at about $1.4 million, followed by cash, invoice, and all. And this helps understand customer payment behavior and its impact on financial planning. So if I talk about the correlation, let's go to the correlation. This is the correlation of all of the graph we mentioned. Total cost by cargo type, average delivery delay by cargo type, um, distance by cost, and all. So I just made a slide in summary so that it will easy to understand. So correlation analysis. So if I talk about distance and fuel cost is like approximately 0.90 indicates that the as travel distance increases, fuel cost rise proportionally, and similar to distance and total cost. A strong correlation around 0.90 suggests that total delivery costs are significantly influenced by the distance covered. Let's talk about the fuel cost and total cost. An exceptionally strong correlation, nearly 0.99, confirms that the fuel expense are most substantial component contributing to the overall total cost. So we found distance and fuel costs are strongly correlated. Distance and total costs are strongly correlated and all. So if I talk about the regression, so in regression, here is the regression, as you can see. So we did all the calculation and all in Excel file of all of the regression. So to better understand cost derivatives, we build a regression model predicting total cost based on distance, fuel cost, tool charges, and other costs. So if I talk about this summary, the result shows coefficients of approximately 1 for fuel, like for fuel and tool and other costs, meaning each additional dollars in these components adds most exactly $1 to total cost. Distance had a coefficient near zero, so showing no independent effect, one other cost included. The model achieved an R squared 0.5 indicates that 85% of variance in total cost can be explained by the independent variables. Independent variables means, as I mentioned, distance, fuel cost, tool charges, and all. So if I talk about the other charts. Here is the correlation map as I explained before. So this is the regression analysis we talk about as I mentioned in the Excel file. And this is the visualization key trends and distribution. So we visualize the total cost over time, total cost by cargo, distance of total cost, and delivery delays at all, like in cargo type. So in the Excel file, if you go through the all of these, as we mentioned, this is the all of the charts and all. So here we talk about this distribution and trends. And if I talk about total cost over time, a line charts effectively define cost fluctuations across days and months, enabling us to and all. So in the last slide, if I talk about the recommendations and all, so here, if I mark the fuel tools, other costs are the true drivers of the total cost. And another point is delivery delays affect nearly half of the shipments. And as well as if I talk about the cost per kilometer varies by the cargo type, which suggests opportunities to refine pricing and logistic planning. So based on all of this data analysis, and if I recommendation, if I talk about recommendation, so it's investigating delays in heavy duty and flatbed truck. If we investigate this, that will be a good result. And optimizing roads for high cost cargo types like construction and materials, and leveraging forecasting to anticipate costs and plan and all. So this comprehensive analysis forms a strong foundation for data-driven decision in logistics management. Hope that will help you. That's enough for today. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.